Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you that how to interface Arduino to Nordic Bluetooth 5 with the help of Android applications. It's a Nordic Bluetooth 5 high throughput long range device, and this is Arduino and this is breadboard. Okay guys, I'm going to open my Android application which name nRF toolbox. You can download from Play Store, which name is nRF toolbox. Okay guys, now it's open and press UART. After that, connect and available device, scan and Nordic UART this. Okay, it's simply connected, and after that I'm going to press 1. It's mean that all LED off. Okay, I will show you. And press 1. After that, press this LED on, this second LED on, and this third LED on. Okay. After that, press 1. This off. Simple. Lastly, this is the core of Bluetooth. Okay. Bye. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much.